different type of building a robot, okay? And also there is a hands-on here, okay? Okay, go ahead for now.
Okay, so the EV3 is a Lego robot that, well, it's a robot that Lego made to make it easier for kids to learn how to build and program robots. So, as you can see here, it's just the standard Lego system, which makes it really easy for anyone who's ever played with Legos to build a robot on their own. The programming is also really simple. I don't think we're opening it. The programming is also really simple. It's like Scratch. Have you guys ever done Scratch before? Okay, so it's basically like Scratch except sideways.
If you want to show the software, we can connect to the big TV and we can talk about that too.
Okay, so there are multiple different parts of this. That you see that big break over there?
Yeah.
So that's basically the brain of the robot. It tells everything else what to do in there. That's the part that you're going to be programming. And then there are different things like motors and sensors. Let me get some of this stuff out. These are sensors. I'm pretty sure more, but these are all types of sensors. And then there are large motors. Those two are large motors. And there's a medium motor.
So what type of sensors are these inside?
Okay, so this is an ultrasonic sensor. It measures distance. So you can point it at something. I'm pretty sure it's an ultrasonic sensor over there. Yeah, so same principle. It sends out sound waves, and when they hit an object, they will bounce off and come back. It times how long it takes for it to go to, like, hit an object and bounce back, and from that it can get the distance. Have you guys ever heard of sonar?
Yes.
Yeah, so same principle. This is a touch sensor. It's a really simple sensor. It's just a push button. And it can help if the robot's backing into something, or if you wanted to sense whether an object is passing through it. This is a light sensor, or a color sensor. And it senses different levels of light and different colors too. So if we point it at a blue object, it'll sense that it's blue. If we point it at a red object, it'll sense that it's red. If we point it at a dark object, it'll sense that there's not that much light. Point at an object that's being lit, it'll sense that there's more light. And then this is a gyro sensor. It senses turns. So it can sense how much the robot is turning, or an object within the robot is turning. And so it's useful for, like, if you have a moving robot, you can make really accurate turns by figuring out how much you're turning using this gyro sensor.
So what are they building?
They're building the base robot, and right now I think they're done with a lot of robots. They still have a little bit more to go. They're on the back caster wheel thing. Okay, so this is the programming.
If you want to show that in the big screen, we can show.
Oh.
Can we go ahead there, guys, for a minute?